Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So, what we're going to do on this episode is talk about Midnight. Specifically, I want to get into Midnight being listed on Binance. So, that is happening within the next couple hours or so. So, if you guys do get something out of this, like, comment, subscribe. Definitely let me know what else you would like to learn right here on the channel. So let's dive right into it. First, we're going to start out with the market cap. So we are Wednesday, March 11th of 2026. This video should be up probably around 4 or 5 p.m. today. So again, we are Wednesday, March 11th, 2026. And today marks an incredible day for Midnight. So all of crypto, we've seen it getting a little more volatile. So we're seeing specifically in Bitcoin, I'm pretty sure it ran up to like 71,000 today, back down. So we're starting to get all this volatility, which I like to see. When things get stagnant, typically you're kind of in a bear market. Things aren't moving, there's fear in the market, etc. I think we're moving to a better place in crypto. Did we bottom out? Nobody knows for sure, but there's a good chance that we did. So we'll be covering that more on the channel as well. But guys, I want to focus on Midnight. We have a bunch of videos right here on the channel regarding Midnight. It is a partner chain to Cardano. So if you guys do want, you can head over to the channel. We have a bunch of videos on Midnight. So if you guys type in night or Midnight, we have videos on claiming. So if you guys in particular were holding ADA, 40% of the Midnight redemptions are going towards ADA holders. Big benefit there. And then like 20% for Bitcoin holders, etc. So type in night or Midnight. Watch those other videos. Get yourself educated on it. But the big news, guys, Binance now supports Night. As the largest global exchange, Binance, if you guys don't know, by the way, Binance has over 250 million users. I did a little bit of moose math on that. And then the next one, what is this one? It'd be Coinbase. Coinbase is at like 110 million users. So Binance is very big. Okay, so you're talking about the number one place. I'm pretty sure 80% of crypto trades, if you're trading crypto, 80% of the volume is really on Binance. I'm pretty sure. So this is a big deal. Midnight, just getting out there, this is going to be good, especially when we start moving to mainnet. So right now, a bunch of the liquidity is on Cardano. So of course you're going to have Night on Cardano, but Midnight is its own blockchain. So Midnight is a new privacy focused chain built for large institutions. This is big for RWAs, right? Using ZK rollups, everything. This is going to be a big deal. So privacy coins, you've seen them go up and down. I'm pretty sure Zcash at all-time highs not long ago. Then of course it went back down. But this is where we're at. This is incredible news. So one of the biggest exchanges out there. This is monumental. You'll look back and be like, this was a big stepping stone for Night. So guys, let me know, is this exciting to you? I just want to bring some of this news. Binance is excited to announce the Midnight hodler airdrop. So if you guys are holding Binance on Binance, you may be able to claim an airdrop. So let me know if you guys are able to do that. I hold 0 crypto on Binance. The Moose is Canadian. That's definitely part of it. So specifically where I'm at, I don't even think you can be using Binance. I think Coinbase is the only one. I use crypto.com for the most part. And then of course I use non-custodial wallets. But a big deal here, big stepping stone for Night. Guys, give me your thoughts and opinions. I want to keep this a short video, but this is it, right? This integration strengthens Night's reach and accelerates the adoption of rational privacy across Web3. So there is not, I can't think of any quality, privacy-focused token that has been built like this with, as good of technology as Midnight will have. So Midnight is still rolling out by the end of this year in 2026. When you look at Q4, you're going to see a lot more going on with Night. People are building, right? So a lot is going to roll out. It's going to be a big year. So guys, hit up the link tree, check out the channel, use the link in the description down below, and let me know what else you want to learn. Right now, I am building out the Crypto Moose Academy. So we're going to have a school where you guys sign up and then you can learn everything about crypto. And I'm going to be going live for members as well. So especially as things heat up, I will be able to answer your questions. That's only going to be for members. So right now I do one-on-ones. It's very exclusive right now. I don't do a lot of them. I do video production work. So anyways, I'm busy, but we will have a community. Stay tuned for that. Also pick up any hardware wallet you want using that as well. So with that being said, guys, the moose is loose. I'm excited for Night.